Here's what I'm doing before quitting my 9 to 5 job. First off, I think that it's very important that you find a side hustle or something that you are interested in heavily before you just decide to quit your 9 to 5 job. Once we reach 7,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away $100. We are almost there, so let's get there. 7,000 subscribers, we're almost there. Subscribe up, all right? Now, coming from someone that's currently working a 9 to 5 job, I am still working on my side hustle, which could be anything from just selling products on the side, drop shipping, mainly Amazon Flex. I make a lot of money with Amazon Flex, so if you haven't signed up with them already, make sure you do that. It's a really easy way to make some extra money. But simply, just find yourself something that you like doing. Honestly, that you like doing for free. Personally, I like to teach people how to make more money. I'm a great salesman. I think I could sell any product as long as I can find a benefit for the product and that product can fit into a person's life. So that's one of my strong suits, as well as just customer service. I think I'm very strong in my customer service, and I think that's something that everybody needs. What I'm working on is a platform that you can join and learn kind of the basics of just sales, customer service, learning the basics of using your iPhone to run your business, whether it's to help you with sales or to just learn an iPhone, because as crazy as it sounds, there are people that don't know that the iPhone can boost your business or just boost your skills from video editing to whatever it might be. You don't need a crazy camera anymore to make great videos. I'm using my iPhone right now. I make all my videos on my iPhone. Do I have an expensive camera? Absolutely, but I don't need that to create content, and that's what's really cool. So, utilize what you have. That's the one thing I've learned about just entrepreneurship. And I'm not trying to make this about entrepreneurship. I'm simply trying to make this about, leaving your 9 to 5, but leaving it in the correct way. I've been at my 9 to 5 for about 7+ years. And trust me, I think about leaving every day. But at the end of the day, it's what pays my bills. It's what keeps the money coming in so that I can focus on what I want to do on the side. So use that job for that aspect. And when you get done, when you get off work, you might have a family like I do. I have 2 kids. I have a wife. And, there's a lot of stuff that I have to take care of when I get home before I can focus on, my side business and things I want to do to grow. But I make sure that I take care of my kids first and that they're set up to where they need to be. And then I use that time when they're asleep and everything like that to work on my craft. All right. So there's enough time. And that's the one thing I'm starting to understand is time is the most expensive thing that you can buy because you can't buy it. So utilize your time to get more out of what you want to do in life. I've been listening to a lot of audiobooks because personally, me reading books, I'm not a big fan of. Not to say I won't eventually transition into that, but I can't read a book and understand what I've read. That's always been my problem. And I just think practice will make that better. But I've just been listening to audiobooks. That's been helping me out a lot. Going on walks just to clear my head and staying tuned in to things that I'm interested in. So I know I'm all over the place and I'm sorry about that, guys, but I just want to give you guys some motivation. And I know you guys are like, I don't even know who you are. You don't have all these followers. That's a good thing. I'm glad that I don't have all that because this is just genuinely coming from a regular human being that's just trying to get better in life. All right. So I am a husband. I'm a father. Like I said, I work a 9 to 5, but I also do things on the side to better myself, for my future and for my kids' future. So that being said, I am releasing a community that I call Hustlepedia, where you can join absolutely free, and you can learn about pretty much everything. We're teaching you the basics of sales, and then if you want to get into management, and you want to learn about management, managing just other people, and growing them to be better salesperson or just better people in general. We have a management category in there. I'm also going to be teaching you guys how to, use your iPhone, just standard stuff, standard information about the iPhone that can help you help other people. We're also going to add the Android category so you can learn your Android and do the same with that as well. We're just trying to grow a community where it can help you in everyday life, everyday things that we do every day that you'd be surprised can really help someone. Because what I do for my job now, I'm in phone sales, I should say, and I'm so amazed by how many people need help with just simply transferring information from their phone to a new phone, or just learning how to do something on their iPhone, how to go from screen to screen on your iPhone. It just there's so many different things that people don't know how to do and would really be very beneficial for just other people. So we just want to have a community where people can learn and it can help them either get a better job or just help them succeed in general. This is what Hustlepedia is for. So if you want to join, I will have a link in the description box. It's absolutely free. We're going to give away a free t-shirt to everyone that joins, up to 100 people. So once we reach 100 people, we will send out your shirts. I will know who the first 100 people is, and I will send you a DM so we can get your size. And I'm going to send out a free t-shirt to everyone that joins the Hustlepedia Academy, is what we're going to call it for now. But so I'm trying to build up a really cool community of just people that want to help other people. That's what it is. Like I said, it's absolutely free. We're not charging anybody for anything. It's absolutely free. All you have to do is join. Just click the link in the description box. The first 100 people that join Hustlepedia will get a free t-shirt. Now the t-shirt is going to be consistent, because that is the brand name, and no matter what you do, you must be consistent or stay consistent. If you talk to any entrepreneur or any business person, they're going to tell you to be consistent, and no matter what it is you do, whether it's sports, your job, your kids, whatever, everything you have to do and you want to succeed in, you have to be consistent. All right, so that's what the t-shirt is going to be. I will have some in shortly so I can show you what it looks like, but I'm going to give 100 people is going to get one for free. All right, the first 100 people to join. So go ahead, join up. Like I said, the chat is absolutely free, and when you get in there, go ahead and start off with the intro and then work your way down to whatever category works for you. All right, Scoofy here. Subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family, join Hustlepedia today, and I'm out.